dining at the Rainforest Cafe for lunch inside Animal Kingdom Park at Walt Disney World. Rainforest Cafe. We have... Oh yeah, let's take you to the menu.
So we get an appetizer and everything?
Yes, we are on the deluxe dining plan. So for us guys, it's 1 dining credit, I believe. You get an appetizer, main course.
And they have seafood.
And then you, oh, they got seafood?
And pasta.
Okay.
Beef, pork, and chicken, soup and salads. Sandwiches and burgers. They got a little variety here.
I don't know, a sandwich may be good.
I was gonna say a hamburger might be good.
Yeah, I haven't had a hamburger this trip.
Or a Blue Mountain chicken sandwich. That looks really good.
Here's some side dishes. Here's pork, beef, and chicken. Okay. And like I said, we're on the deluxe dining plan, but even the regular dining plan, guys, it is 1.
It's always a lot of food.
But for the deluxe dining plan, it includes a dessert, appetizer, and main meal. There's the froggy. We're gonna enter. I think we have to check in. Now, we've never ate at the Rainforest Cafe because when Nicholas was a little baby, he was terrified of the giant gorilla, so we could never go in and eat. And then when we got stationed elsewhere, there wasn't a Rainforest Cafe.
Look at your nails, my lord.
Oh, thank you.
Look, oh my God, let me see. Did you see her nails? Oh my God.
Mickey nails.
That is so cool.
Thank you.
You are really a Mickey Mouse.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. She's so sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Here we go. The giant mushrooms. The crocodile. How pretty.
I feel like somebody I don't know. Are we really used to be? Am I really
beautiful? Look at the elephant. He's so cute. Yeah. You know, honey, Brendan and Zach would like it. They would love it. We'll have to book this one again.
Of course, they take you through the shop first.
Yeah, but
they ain't
still.
stupid. Ooh.
We're gonna have to tell them and start saving their money.
Ooh.
That's a nice backpack. That's like a classic. That's like an Indiana Jones.
Alright.
That one's nice, darling.
I may not get a luau shirt. What is this?
Well, if you want to get that instead, it's not like we're not gonna be back. We can get a luau next trip.
Oh my gosh, I am getting this when we come back out.
How much is it?
$45.
Oh, that's a good price. That's
Canvas.
like, yeah, that's classic. I like it. You think you'll use that one for the work?
Well, yeah, that's why I wanted to get it.
Okay, I'm committing to him to buying it, guys.
Oh, wait a minute.
You have to compare as far as space on which one is better.
Yeah, I can always use the backpack. I'll get the backpack.
Nice.
See, when I come to the
Animal Kingdom.
I always find stuff I like.
Yeah, I know. That's, you know, yeah. You got your hat at, well, you got your safari hat at
The Lodge.
The Lodge.
Even the shirt.
Very cool. Large DIY Beanie Babies
Oh,
for
like a fish tank.
$34.99, huh? Oh yeah. So beautiful in here. The smells remind me of the Polynesian, don't they? Look how beautiful.
Yeah,
Look at the ceiling, guys. Gorgeous here at the Rainforest Cafe. The giant tree. Yes, Nicholas was terrified of this place as a baby.
The Rainforest Cafe would now like to welcome Michael Mario Floor. Please reapproach for relevant. Your wallet manager is about to begin. That is Michael.
We're gonna go check in, guys. They have this cute little bar area, and look at the little bar stools, guys. Absolutely adorable. And it's like just water. I don't know if y'all can see this. So this is the bar, and then they have the cute little like water, and like you can get a tiger butt. That's hilarious. I'm not sure if this is a zebra. Well, it doesn't look like a zebra though.
There's
another tiger.
They got a parrot and stuff too.
Oh, a parrot? There's a, that looks like a frog.
Here's a duck.
Oh look, it's a duck. That's cute. What's this one?
Alligator.
An alligator? Too cute.
Cool, that's it.
Oh, look how beautiful it is in there.
Look at that.
There's the dining facility area, guys.
It's a little comic relief.
Hey buddy, what's up? Coming to the Rainforest Cafe.
I bet he loves hanging out here inside the Magic, or Animal Kingdom.
Oh yeah.
Inside the Magic.
He just wants to give everybody hugs.
They had him laying like this, guys. I didn't like him like that. So I sat him up.
Put him in party mode.
Yeah, he looks so much better. I was like, Froggy, you need to sit up.
Yeah, Rachel,
The fish tank.
this is so much better.
It's a fish tank that connects.
Say hi, Mouseketeers! Here's the fish tank. Look, guys. It goes up, over, across, and back down again. They have little Dories in there swimming too, which is cute. It's a little monkey in the tree. See if I see him up there. He's cute. Okay. We're going to sit down.
Alrighty, so how's you guys' day been?
Fine. And yours?
Pretty good.
Had a good day so far? Good.
Have you guys dined here before in the rainforest?
No. Where's the elephant?
Here you guys go.
Oh, awesome. Look where we get to sit, guys. We get to sit by the giant elephant.
That's awesome.
Thank
Here, you
you.
want to sit on this side?
Yeah, over there is the waterfall. I can't believe we get to sit by the giant elephant. That is so awesome. Hello.
That's a big mushroom. The bar.
So for an appetizer, guys, we ordered the awesome appetizer, or the awesome appetizer adventure. And it's a little bit of everything. So I'll show you when the food comes. But this counts as, instead of each of us getting an appetizer, it's going to count as 2 credits because it's such a big platter. But it's a little bit of everything, so we figured we would try it. It looks really yummy. He's moving! It is so cool to be sitting right here by him. Awesome! And when he's not moving, guys, and we're just sitting here, he starts winking at us. Too cute!
The other ones are too.
Yeah, the other ones are moving too. Oh, no! It's like Dumbo's grandpa. So guys, this is our appetizer. So it's like corn chips, mozzarella sticks. What are these? Like corn? Egg rolls, cheese sauce, chicken fingers, mustard dipping sauce, and then more egg rolls and guacamole. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. The thunderstorm is coming. So guys, guys, I got the chicken bread on Asiago, chicken sandwich on Asiago. I have a hard time saying it. Asiago, sorry, bun. I want to say it so fast and it just comes out all messed up. But, okay. And I got some French fries with it. And it's right there. We're still eating appetizers. And then Dan got
mahi and shrimp.
Mahi shrimp.
And the vegetables.
That looks good.
That's what I was after.
It's just for you. We hope you have a super fun and terrific day. So happy anniversary from Rainforest Cafe.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Your dress is cute.
Oh, thank you.
I've never seen that before.
Thank you.
Oh, that is. Yeah, that's good. You know her dress.
No, but I'm thinking, I already told her about her dress. I love her dress. But I like this. I didn't know that they had a stand like that.
Yeah, so when you're walking,
Yeah.
it's more stable for vlogging.
Yeah. No, I saw her dress when she sat down. I'm like, it's
Thank you so
I haven't
much.
seen that one.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
That's so sweet. Here, baby. Let's put it together. So, guys, they gave us cheesecake with a candle. We ordered these. These are part of the dessert for the deluxe dining plan. But yeah, that was so sweet for them to come out and sing to us. So, guys, the Rainforest Cafe is 1 dining credit. We're on the deluxe dining plan, so we receive an appetizer, course, and a dessert. So the raspberry lemonade that we ordered, $5.59. Iced tea, $3.79. Dan's meal was $28.99. 2 triple cheesecakes was $17.99.
And I recommend the cheesecakes.
The awesome appetizer was $19.99. I got the Blue Mountain chicken sandwich, $16.99. For a total of $93.33 with tax, $99.40. And then we need to include our 20% gratuity. Guys, the cheesecake is phenomenal.